Doors have protected our homes, businesses, and loved ones, and it's time we fortify them even further. Meet DoorCam, the world's first and only over-the-door camera with inside Wi-Fi connection, motion detection, two-way talk, video recording, and night vision. This is Sarah, and she lives in an apartment. DoorCam is a great fit for Sarah because all she has to do is hang it over the door. No wires, no holes. It also gives her the peace of mind knowing who's on the other side of the door.
Can I help you?
Hi, do you have a minute to take a quick survey?
Sorry, not interested. Have a nice day.
And while she's at work, she can see what's happening at home.
Hi, I'm Jim with the Hamilton Company. I'm here to fix your window.
Great. The key's under the mat.
Found it.
And if she needs to move, she can take DoorCam with her. DoorCam is also a great fit for people who own homes. Meet Sam. Sam runs an ice cream shop and uses DoorCam to keep an eye on things at home while he's away at work. And it allows him to see this, this, and this.
Dad, look what I can do.
Oh, wow, that is so cool. Okay, I'll see you soon, buddy.
And for those times that Sam can't be in two places at once, he has extra help to keep an eye on things.
Hey, what are you doing?
DoorCam, the easiest way to secure your home, business, or anywhere with a door.